Did you know that in 2023, YouTube's active users surpassed 2.7 billion? What's fascinating is the linguistic diversity among the top 10 user countries. The United States, an English-speaking country that ranks second in the top list, only had 246 million users. From this data, we realize we can take advantage by targeting not just the other top 9 countries, but perhaps even the top 20 as our audience. This strategy isn't just for your content creation, it's a gateway to your global business expansion. However, the challenge lies in managing expensive multilingual talent, translators, costly equipment, and of course, expensive editing resources.
But there is good news. Since my last video about wondershare virbo, this AI tool has improved significantly, so we can use it for this purpose.
Virbo AI has added numerous features. In this video, I will not only show you the translation feature, but also quickly demonstrate how to leverage other new features for more creative and easier AI video creation.
Ready to expand your reach? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let's dive in. This AI video translator feature can take your content creation and business to the next level. Understanding how this video translator works will enable you to create your own videos or offer video translation services to generate income. Here are some use cases to inspire you. 1. Advertising. With Virbo AI, you can create advertising videos in multiple languages, maximizing engagement through localized content. 2. Content creation. With Virbo AI, you can bridge linguistic gaps and foster broader connections with international viewers. 3. Global corporate communication. With Virbo AI, you can create training and development materials, customer service guides, and product demonstrations in multiple languages to optimize corporate interactions efficiently. 4. Educational video. With Virbo AI, you can create educational content for multilingual students, making it easier for them to follow your guide in their first language. 5. Entertainment video creation. With Virbo AI, you can create localized movie clips, interviews, and podcasts. In this example, I will demonstrate how to use this translator feature to create a multilingual tutorial video. My original video is in English, and I will show you how I can easily create a multilingual version with ease. The results will follow this step-by-step guide. Here's a quick guide on how to translate your video into any language. First, open your wondershare Virbo AI app. From the home screen, select the video translator option. Click the upload button and choose your video. After that, set the original language and select your target language. From the translated audio, you can choose your preferred AI voice. To generate subtitles for your target language, select the AI generator option. If your original video contains any music, check the Keep Original Background Music option to retain it. Once everything is set, click the Translate button to start translating your video. After the translation process is complete, click the Download button to save your final AI video. Here are the video results from this chapter.
Go to the Wondershare Virbo AI official website using the link provided in this video's description.
このビデオの説明欄にあるリンクを使用して、wondershare Virbo AI 公式ウェブサイトにアクセスしてください。
Click the free download button to start downloading the Virbo AI installer.
Clique no botão de download gratuito para começar a baixar o instalador do Virbo AI.
Open the installer file and follow the installation instructions.
Abre el archivo del instalador y sigue las instrucciones de instalación.
Part 3. 4K Real-Life AI Avatar. As you can see, my intro video was created using this feature. With this new feature, you can create videos with ultra-realistic avatars and backgrounds. To use this feature, go to the Fixed Background menu and select your preferred template by clicking the Create Video button. You can continue the video creation using a text or audio script, as I explained in the previous chapter. Here is the result video from this chapter.
Wondershare Virbo is an AI avatar video generator, converting text to video in minutes. No camera, no editor. Virbo helps business owners save costs and increase efficiency on marketing. With Virbo, everyone could be a creator.
Part 4. Audio to AI video. Yes, now you can create a new AI video with just an audio file. Here's a quick guide on how to do this. Open your Virbo app. Select your AI model and click the Create Video button using your preferred video format. After the editor page opens, click the Audio Script option. You can use an existing audio file or click the Online Recording button to record a new one. In this example, I'll show you how to generate an AI video using an existing MP3 file. Click the Upload Audio button and select your audio file. Select the original language from the Language option and click Apply to continue. Virbo AI will then transcribe your audio and provide the script in the script editor, where you can make any changes if needed. Continue editing your AI video by changing its background, adding objects, music, or external assets if needed. Make sure to turn on the subtitle option to generate video subtitles. After everything is set, click the Export button to generate your AI video. Once the generation process is complete, click the Download button to save your final AI video. Here is the final result from this chapter.
Virbo AI is a cost-efficient choice for small businesses and e-commerce sellers looking to expand globally. It provides effective yet affordable tools to boost product sales, ideal for those operating on tight budgets.
Part 5. Video to AI video. Use this feature to generate a new AI video from an existing video. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. Open your Virbo app. Click Talking Photo menu. Select your AI model and click the Create Video button using your preferred video format. After the editor page opens, click the Audio Script option. Now select the Extract Audio option. Select your source video. Choose the original language from the Language option and click Apply to continue. Virbo AI will then transcribe your audio and provide the script in the script editor, where you can make any changes if needed. Once everything is set, click the Export button to generate your AI video. After the generation process is complete, click the Download button to save your final AI video. Here is the final result from this chapter.
Virbo AI is a cost-efficient choice for small businesses and e-commerce sellers looking to expand globally. It provides effective yet affordable tools to boost product sales, ideal for those operating on tight budgets.